In today's video, I'm going to teach you to apply for Affirm on Amazon. If you've ever wanted to spread out the cost of a purchase, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it smoothly and confidently from start to finish. Begin by heading to Amazon and adding eligible items to your cart. Not every product or seller qualifies, so look for mentions of monthly payment options on the product page or be prepared that the option may appear only at checkout. Physical goods from established sellers are more likely to qualify than things like digital items or certain gift cards. When your cart looks good, proceed to checkout. At the checkout screen, move to the payment method section and look for monthly payments with Affirm. If you see it, great, that means your order is eligible. If you don't, it usually means something in your cart, your shipping selection, or your order total isn't eligible. You can try adjusting items or shipping speed, but if the option still doesn't appear, that order may not qualify. Select monthly payments with Affirm to continue. You'll be prompted to sign into your existing Affirm account or create a new one. This part is quick and secure. If you're new to Affirm, you'll provide a few basic details so they can verify your identity and set up your profile. Keep your information accurate and make sure it matches your billing and shipping details to prevent delays. Next, complete the real-time eligibility check. This is a fast review that determines whether you can pay over time for this order. It usually takes just a moment. Stay on the screen until you see the result so nothing times out. Once you're approved, you'll see the available payment plans. Take a moment to compare them. Look closely at the number of months, the monthly payment amount, any interest or fees, the total cost over time, and when your first payment is due. Choose the plan that best fits your budget, and don't rush. This is where you align the purchase with your financial comfort. After selecting your plan, you'll be routed back to Amazon. Review your order one last time, confirm your items, shipping address, and delivery speed. When everything looks right, confirm your order to complete the purchase. You'll receive a confirmation from Amazon, and Affirm will send your payment schedule and reminders. You can manage your plan and payments directly through Affirm at any time. And that's it. You can now use Affirm on Amazon and pay over time. Make payments on schedule, keep an eye on your plan details, and enjoy a more flexible way to shop responsibly.